Prepare cables and tools. You are advised to pause the video or take a screenshot. Use the connectors provided in the case. Do not use connectors of different models. Strip the DC power cable to an appropriate length and ensure that it is not broken. Do not damage the wire core. Use the recommended crimping tool to crimp the metal terminal. Do not crimp with a non-recommended tool. Do not crimp at an incorrect position. Do not crimp the cable jacket. Do not leave an excessive length of the wire core. You will hear a click once the cable is properly inserted. Gently pull the cable to check that the connection is reliable. You will hear a click once the connector is fully tightened. Ensure a minimal gap to maintain proper airtightness. Ensure that the polarity is correct and the PV string voltage is less than 1100 volts. Remove the dustproof caps. Connect the DC input power cables. Connect the battery cables.